Hi students. California Dreaming was looked at the very end of today's Zoom class meeting, and it does have a new chord, the B flat, which is right here. It's one finger, the first finger, is holding down the first two strings on the first fret. And then the second finger is on the second fret of the third string. And then the third finger is on the third fret of the fourth string. So it's... Now that's B flat. The other new chord is that A suspended 4. A sus 4. And it's just two fingers on two separate fingers on strings 3 and 4 at the second fret. And when you hear that chord, that's California Dreaming, and it resolves to an A 7th. Suspensions usually have to resolve. Now, also, it's the intro is a D minor, and they say to arpeggio. What sounds actually a little bit better, and let me get the recording, is to do thumb 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm doing a D minor, but I'm doing thumb, and I'm doing 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Very close. And then it goes to an A 7th. So that's another way to play it. It sounds a little like the a more faithful to the actual original recording, which they used a 12-string guitar and a 6-string guitar that traded off the intro. Da 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 da. All the leaves, and so on. So I'll do it this way from the top. 1, 2, ready, intro. All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Stepped into a church, I passed along the way. Yeah, I got down on my knees and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher likes the cold. He knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on such a winter's day. And then the flute comes in there. All right, students, it is a pattern that repeats over and over again. Except for maybe the B flat chord. By the way, the B flat major 7, the very last chord shown is only at the very end, and it's a form of cadence. On such a winter's day, then minor, and the B flat major seventh is 1, 2, 3, starting with the second string. All right, have fun with this.